Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings. Once there, tap Sounds and Haptics. You need to understand that the alarm volume ties to ringer and alerts, not media. Make sure Change with Buttons is enabled if you want hardware volume control to adjust alarms. If it's off, the side buttons alter only media. Once you've confirmed the toggle, glance at the volume slider under ringer and alerts. That's the control you'll use next. Now adjust the ringer and alert slider to set the alarm loudness. Move it slowly to pick a comfortable level. If you enabled Change with Buttons, press the side volume keys to fine-tune while watching the slider move. Next, open the clock app, edit or create an alarm, and select a sound to preview. Some tones subjectively seem louder. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus mode isn't silencing alarms. Alarms still sound, but check focus settings for exceptions. Finish by saving your alarm and doing a quick test using a near future time to confirm volume and sound match expectations. If the alarm is unexpectedly quiet or silent, restart the phone, check for iOS updates, and verify the alarm tone isn't set to none. As a stronger step, reset all settings only if necessary. This preserves data but restores sound settings. If problems persist, inspect the speaker by playing music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.